Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be across the job over your master.
Destiny the donkey is on the loose. Destiny the donkey is on the loose.
So cross the TV, you need to run with that now, man. You need to run with this now.
I know say hungry could have deport nobody, and people when they have blood clot tell me about the hungry. It's not rum talk. Hungry grab up blood clot, lucky shirt and drive and say, come out here. Come out here. Bumba blood clot. Then you have to argue with me. You have to argue with me because only hungry people alone do that. Nobody we can fend for themselves and go look them little way out. Don't have time for argue because they have time to go look them money, but you're hungry in Switzerland, no blood clot. You feel like you can't eat pan this cheese. You go worried hungry. Go and worried hungry and not blood clot cheese. Go suck your mother.
The chief I don't want piece of bread, you don't tell her. Tell her
No,
she
she
don't
can't
want
get
piece of
no
bread
cheese,
to eat
yeah.
the
Me not
cheese.
even give her a chance. Me I provoke you because you have to post for your blood clot. Have you never know me and who? You see, true me know me not send out pussy picture and them things there to man. Bitch ass, germs bag. It's a dirty boy we have a blood clot, dirty heart do that. Yeah. Them poor me did open up my pussy and open it out and show it to you. I said I send it out. That's why when they ask you the picture, them I tell you I don't do them picture there. But you have to snap it because you're there on the road. I do your truck work, I have to back your face. Why never tell water was thinking well Brenda for send a picture come? Eh? Cause Brenda pussy no entice you only is a load of shit. Yeah, you have to go down Kreepa. I mean, I want do hungry. He might go worry, hungry. Grab up him shirt and throw him out of America. Oh, immigration alone, me know the foot. Never know hungry can do that. Hungry are bad. Go away, man, and move your blood clot. Every time you're in a people's skin like yawa, it's nothing but a load of shit. You got to post what you have with me. Because I not stop upright pressure. And anywhere me go and see them a blood clot, why me I share it. Who tell them if you chop me? I hear they have something stinking, nasty, cranny, big me batty man. Then you take up my argument for your head. Yeah? Then you take up my blood clot argument for your head. Hungry. Yeah? Bumbo clad. Say, I'm gonna call hungry and ask hungry for apply more pressure. What you say? So now you go hungry, big old blood clot, nah no belly bottom, nah no throat back, nah nothing at all, nah nothing at all, me mean nothing. Dirty lucky. That's why like, you know what me at the moment. So you know I'm live up to my name. When time I did tell you say I'm done with this, it's only because of the way I feel. Samantha did I feel one type of way. I'm walk, I'm apologize to who forget apologize to. When you come see me in my element and not take me out for hold me. Hold me now like when you take me out of my element. You worry about me and teeth, my teeth, any blood clotting, oil, rice, anything come by me and teeth. Me have a cupboard full of food and blood clot and the whole of that I got Jamaica. Because me they are foreign, me supposed to use my grace. Them they are Jamaica, them have to use the foreign thing comes up. Me lucky. You are thief over blood clot Switzerland and you're not thief no food. I better food is a thief. If anything kill me, I'm not hungry. Just know that. Yeah, cause me a thief and me a thief food. I'm supposed to thief anything me feel. Big cheesy as your blood clot, you're gonna let me Nicki Minaj. Nicki blood clot Minaj is not Nicki Minaj. Oh, so I'm going to any store, just know me not thief from nobody black. Any Chinese, any white boy and that pussy blood clot, they can get tricked. Yeah. Yes, if you
Murder.
blood clot things and me I go back down for you thinking rotten that no blood clot, no abiding city lucky aka Shaquille Thomas lie you the blood clot tell. Like go back up in your mama thinking well and go stitch up. I can say she can rock the 2 times and make her come out with like a blood clot goodness. Cause you never come here with none. You see girl with them goodness and them greatness and hate them feet. They're too bad mind. The two blood clot bad mind. You feel like you're not. You text up on the girl when a blood clot follow you up. They go follow you up until the end. Oh, you can make me come off of social media, running belly. Running belly, you can make me come off of blood clot social media. You're coming like what? To do no blood clot. Little water and little bit of food. Crack up, crack up. That is you lucky. So, your mother, you can't bring down no girl. Cause girl born with good pussy. Yeah. You're born with a big dirty batty wall and I tell you. You don't even them batty man they will give fuck. I take you take fuck. Take. It's a germs bag. And me for blood clot back down for you crazy. You don't even know you turn me on when you act them way there. Come here say no that boy you take me out of my element. Let me show him say me run the resident.
Well, say
Only
I'm
walking
only
talking
walking,
cheese that
talking
can melt
cheese.
you in our blood clot, man. Dirty blood clot, lucky with destiny. Destiny a nice blood clot name. Lucky the donkey. We never saw blood clot, lucky. Can you find yourself America? You'd have to leave. Because hungry lock you up at 4 corner hungry. Come here. You in the blood clot miggle at the desert. I every look, you can't even find an ant for try blood clot. Hungry a bit. You see the capital H, you see the U, you see the N, you see the G now, the 4 blood clot corner. And the Y just follow up your tail so you couldn't escape hungry so good lucky. Thinking more lucky you couldn't escape hungry, you're crying in a blood clot. Big one, come down let me show some video a little bit there. Cranny dirty batty boy, see ya. Guys, that's some me know the shit. Cranny. Look how him look. Look at the picture where him stand up. Mighty God. What so cocky little boy when he am lucky. Watch his sucker ride off ya so. Yeah, the pussy clot. Mighty God. Look here then a blood clot United States of America. The way you hungry stick up your dirty cranny blood clot. A fly take him out. The way you try box off the fly in a blood clot, the fly mouth stick him out like glue dirty wall. Suck your mother. You have to go down and we not even have to do nothing much. People, this is dirty lucky. Cranny body lucky. Sucker ride off lucky. Old butter see lucky. This is lucky. Lucky take off woman clothes. Man clothes fit you better. Look how you look. Bend up no blood clot and look like you're the pan grabber. Go suck your mother. Go suck your suck good blood clot over working mother. Guys, when you get the bag and make us spray the roach. It not stop sure. You take up. And when the followers you look, people the dog go follow. Followers she look, boy you have things with cheese. We can never post everything in a one go. I'ma come at you about wicked and reverse the hungry story in the middle. You're mad no blood clot. You're not with me. Me never kill this true in a real life. One boy just enough up himself. Let me show the shit one. Hold on. It look like me never store the shit one, so me never store the shit one. One see the dirty raggedy level dusty silver, gully monkey, ugly no blood clot, crying no pussy clot. Watch bone, cook crumbs. Wanna look on crumbs right over here, so. Watch crumbs no blood clot. Lucky your mouth stink. Your mouth stink. You will never get the chance to do your body cause hunger your best friend. Hunger your best blood clot friend. So you can't waste blood clot money on your body need it. Big hungry in a blood clot. The amount of suck and fuck you if you keep that the party there. And a 7 table. And a half a 1 table, me say blood clot people. Lucky I ain't no body. You is no blood clot body. You're shit. Me not take it off. Watch cranially. Why you can buckle blood clot with you? So can't chat to nobody shit house. This is Destiny the donkey. E-uh. Somebody call the police for cranny like dog. You suck your mother. You know nobody not even have nobody pass picture for you. Cause then again, you have two big blood clot balls and a tall wood. And before you take the cocky and put it to use, you just walk and suck your cocky where you're born with. So just suck your mother destiny. You're cranny. You're cranny for choo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Donkey destiny. Watch him. Watch dirty blood clot. Lucky to know. I come here go like you're smaddy. You're smaddy. Him show one picture one time and say I feel him old. Don't size up with girl, cause girl never see you. I don't fear blood clot though. Stay bad for you, but they do how them let it out of the zoo. How comes them let out this eye out of the blood clot zoo? When the zookeeper they for come lock up so could blood clot destiny. Me why you post anything you want with me, you have to post it. When I make a fake page and you know you can go live without it reach those by Instagram. TikTok you want to go live because them say you can't draw out your money. Your friend them say you can't draw out your money, so you look at fresh TikTok, so yeah, use my name. I'm bomb enough to pay no man. Me I pay you all the blood clot, man. Cause you get my undivided attention.
Destiny the donkey is on the list.
Destiny. AKA Lucky,
Destiny the
AKA
donkey is on the list.
Shaquille Thomas. Don't play with me. This is the donkey destiny. That is it. Them broke him job because him ever bring news. Him is a little boy and him ever in a girl mix up. Nobody never do him nobody never beat him for him batty. Nobody never care if him want to batty man, yes or no. Nobody never care because from my grew up and drag him slippers in the community. We didn't know what him is going to cut out to be. You understand? This little load of shit is a mix up. Yes, he might use film cuss and a cuss me. So cocky destiny. Tell the people how you can use from Sunday on a Sunday and run from Sunday yard to a woman named Esther yard for food. Long time hungry your blood clot, best friend. Long time hungry follow you. Listen, one story him about them beat you. That's still. Then nobody no beat me. Who beat me? And nobody will beat me. Girl, me not got top my story yesterday. But any beat me get a things me don't forget beating. Me not have to say 40 more. After Destiny not get no fuck over there. Nobody not fuck Destiny. Destiny pussy the pan redundant. Lucky your pussy now sell. Tell you say Lucky go one place I sell pussy. One place we sell pussy for 150. And he must start a new ends and say I run it for $40. Me say nobody no look. And none get a sale for him big bone hole. I want enough of yourself with people. Go stitch up your body, Lucky, too big. Destiny the donkey. Yeah, Libra, Affi have time, you wouldn't understand. Me get a video, I show him say I don't afraid of him. Yeah, but he coming like a Hoover. He just a grab up blood clot dirt sucker. No cocky now go eat it. Cranially, look there. Watch him in favor cool cat in that blood clot glass there, man. Look on the stand up picture, people. It kill me. No, let out the donkey.
Destiny the donkey is on the list. Destiny the donkey is on the loose. The
Cool cat, yeah. Favor cool cat for true. Me say, what you want him stand up. If you come back America and him give some more talk, him can't come back here. Him can't come back America here. Crying him much. Stay bad whole heap. Cry. Look at that. Yak. Zubali blood clot. Zoo. You want come down for what? What? Good night to you. Good night, Auntie Derrica. Good night, Auntie. I like how you fix her up. Catch you. Go over your page and see. I think them are share them. She come for me so good destiny. Remember you first start with me. I don't know bad about the place, yeah. Yeah, if him never lonely, good say if him never lonely, wanna have time to be in people business 40 days, 40 nights. That's how him try. When me set it in, and the only people can wreck it are me. When me set nothing, anything wreck after me, and me set that. If we forgot last time, remember last time how it go. And me say 40 days and 49. No boy can use my blood clot if I shot them and kill me. You crazy? Ugly. Ugly. Ugly and hungry. Ugly and hungry no blood clot. Dirty destiny. Boy. Too enough. And I try to prove a point. And the wrong point I try blood clot prove. And remember good who me be. None of you can break me, boy. Yeah. Let me tell you that. I've been hurt already and no pussy can hurt me. My kids them done blood clot hurt me already. And none of you can tell me nothing for hurt me because I'm stronger now. You don't ever get a chance to feel what is hurt destiny. Because you want to be a Uber that can't be a Uber that 5 people to slide out of the soca wheel. Boop, 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 boop. You will never poop out none. Because your pussy never make for that. Move your shit away, your blood clot. Where? Shittery. Leave me, man. From your seat, more than wash out, you can see the tape, the tape from them draped up in blood clot intestine. Look on top and belly, yes, look eye. Look on the stand up picture, watch it. Cranny like dog. Watch it. I'm coming at people like father, your mama should have name blood clot you. Oh. Che, pussy clad for true bad. Like you're not done about the place. You're done for batty boy them where you call up them name. And then through you them know why you call up them name again and them can't take